Hello everyone, my name is Amber Foster and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove popcorn texture from your ceiling. Definitely some eye protection. You can wear a mask if you want to. Most of this will be wet down, so it's not going to be airborne for you to be able to breathe it in. But if you have breathing problems or you're just concerned about it, go ahead and wear one just in case. You also need something to spray some water. This is like an insect, I don't know what you call it, water squirter thingy. This one has only ever been used for water. You can buy them at the hardware store. And you're gonna need a couple size scrapers. I like a big scraper. This is like a big metal scraper. And then I like a smaller scraper for getting around the edges. So the first thing we are going to do before we get to scraping is you want to remove any light fixtures or anything like that that are on the ceiling. We will be spraying water on the ceiling, so if you have anything that's connected to power, you will want to make sure the power is disconnected. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this little guy here and pep it up, and you want it filled with hot water. And you're not going to spray the whole ceiling, but rather just a little section of it at a time. This is another reason you want everything covered nice and good, because you're going to get water everywhere. Okay, after you get it pretty wetted down, now it's going to come the fun part. You're going to take your big scraper,
fatal as well as serious lung problems, allergic reactions to treatments, chiropractics have occurred. When in doubt, or symptoms of having trouble breathing or allergic reactions to your doctor right away. Patients with sometimes fatal progressive.
Most popcorn texture is very old and it could possibly contain asbestos. So before you get started, you do want to take a little piece of that off and find a testing facility who can test that for you to make sure it is all good to go, because you definitely don't want to be scraping tons of popcorn ceiling down and getting that asbestos in your lungs. So you want to make sure that you test that to make sure it's safe before you start.
I hope this inspires you to follow these simple steps and tackle the popcorn ceilings in your home.